Hey everyone! It's been a while, but we're back with another one-pan pasta recipe. The ingredients might seem a little unusual for pasta, but the flavor is next level. Let's get into it. Add plenty of olive oil to a hot pan, then toss in 2 heaping spoonfuls of minced garlic. Throw in some pepperoncino and sauté for about a minute, then pour in about 2 cups of water. Add the pasta and let it cook until it's just starting to soften. Now add 2 spoons of tuna sauce and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and stir until the liquid mostly cooks down. Plate it up and finish with Parmesan and black pepper to your taste. Honestly, this one deserves a standing ovation. It's one of the best one-pan pastas I've made. It's amazing what a bit of garlic and a few pantry staples can create with just pasta. Once you try it, I promise it won't be the last time. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and enjoy a simple K meal today.